level of knowledge. Are you able to handle your 24 hours? Are you able to use these 24 hours to its best ability? Profit your 24 hours for now in your day. Kudingakala in knowledge. Ingabathiwa umoya wolwazi, umoya wamandla, umoya kaNkulunkulu, umoya wenkazimulo, umduduzi. Uyo ohamba nathi bazalwane when we are hurt. Ngoba kule ndlela kunameva athi nakuba ameva manyathela la ngihamba indlela yami. Athi angiwanaki ngoba uJesu uzwapholisa. Uyithatha phi revelation enjalo umoya ongcwele. Uma abantu bephuma beshona bethatha indlela encane athi ngena ngesango encane ngoba leli elinye likhulu livulekile. Ngena ngalenga umcingo. Uye umoya ongcwele osisiza kulokho. Uze athi kuJesu akusini nenikhulumayo kodwa umoya ongcwele ophila kimi okhulumayo. Athi ningatatishi kakhulu. Nize nivula incwadi in preparation. Ukuthi uma sebenise phambi kwekhulu niyothini. Ngoba in that hour masebenibuza uyamtshela manje nophendula nithi. Awunixolele bazalwane. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi le message i-message odingakala ukuthi ilalelwe abantu. Labe kukhuluma ngabe iBhayibheli in Hebrews chapter number 12 verse 13 I think. Lapha bonke laba bafa bekhonile. Lithi babeshawa behlaselwa. Babephila bengenabantwana bebafuna. Lithi baba bethenjiswa izithenjiso. Abazamkeliswanga lezi thembisi. Kodwa bazamkela. They embrace them from afar. Lithi baze bafa bengakwamkelanga babephilela. Kodwa baqhubeka baphila ngoba babezazisa bona ukuthi abasiba balomhlaba abasiba bakulelizwe. And then said the Bible, if it is a country that they are going to, they knew that this country is not of earthly origins. Their citizenship is not of South Africa. They are not of this country. They are passing by. They are pilgrims in a pilgrimage. Bayadlula bangabafokazana. Abahleli nomhlaba nento zabo. Kodwa bayadlula. Besinathuba nini emhlabeni oboleka kangaka ngaphandle kukamoya ongcwele. Omunye athi mina nomndenami were born into poverty. Ubaba nomalume nogogo nomkhulu they are drunkards. My whole family they are drunkards. They are teaching us that. Sisasimele sinje. Sisalele ekhaya nathi sazale ekhaya sekunezulwa. Impilo yasekhaya injena vele. So angazi ukuthi expect ukuthi mina ngihluke kanjani. UJesu uthi ngizomthumela umoya ongcwele ozokwenza ukuhluke noma kunjani. Okuzothi izwe lakithi lathola inkululeko about 10 years ago. But kuze kube namhlanje sidliphuya ngothi siyahlupheka. Asazi nanokuthi i-running toilet i-system asiyazi nanokuthi injani. Imigaqo ayilungisiwe. I-development ayifikile sishiswa nge-poverty. Sihleli kwi-poverty ayikho imisebenzi ayikho i-development. Nalo Jesu wakwathi angimuzwa nakahle isikhumbuzo. Because lento ngitshela ngiyi-understand angiyazi. Ngiphile esimeni esinje. Omunye uzothi ever since I was born ubaba uya-abuse noma uya-abuse. Ngiphila I'm being turned into a monster. Angiyazi inhlobo yempilo ngifaneleke in this window, in this cage of pain and torture and turmoil and all kinds of emotional abusive things. Omunye uzothi ngubaba emzini wami. In my own house, abamhloniphi bang-abuse emotionally. Umama uhlangana namadodakazi namadodana against me. Noma ubaba uhlangana namadodakazi against me. Obviously, all my life I've been abused, I've been in pain, I don't know anything. Angiyazi impilo nje, angiyazi impilo nokuthula, selokhe ngalwa. Ngingena esibhedlela, yini leyo uzongitshela nananibhakeni lapho ukuthi I'm sorry, it's hard to listen to you. ingakhethi uJesu ngizothumela umoya engcwele ngoba umoya engcwele uyena ozokwazi ukuthi avunje kulesi zinto azokhuluma nenhliziyo yakho. Ningangizwa kabi bazalwane, akusithina esisindisa abantu, thina esikwenzayo nje sidedela umoya engcwele akhulume nabantu, akhulume ney'nhliziyo zabantu ngoba uzothi omunye I'm born into this society that is rigged by corruption. Everything that is going on, kune-crime ezweni lakithi sizwe indaba akhona indaba kuthiwa nangibulala ingane, wayithatha ingane wayizwa imemeza iskrima kuthiwa wayihlephula ama-limbs omzimba ingane. Omuhleli in an abusive situation whereby u-abuswa i-environment nje aphila kuyo iyamhlula. Singabangani bami, I don't know, angiyazi i-idea yomuntu okholwayo la ngihlala ngakhona. Ukukholwa into engayazi, ingakho nami ngize ngaba nje. Ingakho nami ngiphelele emgaqweni. Ingakho nami ngidla ama-drugs. Kuney'zathu bazalwane abantu abakwazi ukubhekela. Ingakho nami ngakhuliswa ngayo nemali yokutshontsha. Ngakhula ngaze ngaba ngaka. Nginemali namabhizinisi. Iyona yodwa indlela engiyazi angafundisa ngisho ingane abantwana bami. Iyona indlela esiphila ngayo le. Sihamba siyobulala abantu, sithathe ingcebo yabantu, siyiphilise, thina sibonakala siqhakaza. This is the way that we live. Sasinathuba lini ngaphandle kukamoya engcwele? Besingasurvive kanjani kwi-situation enjalo? Ngaphela yonke into yenzeka kunesizathu, kuthiwa kunesizathu. Uthatha yakhuluma ngobungcwele, kuthiwa ungasitshela mina sikhumbuzo. Izwe lonke lelo phila kulo lokukhala ngotshwala, nawe utshwala buyakusiza nawe, ukhokhela intela leyo ophila ngayo nawe. Uthavala SAP, nawe uyabenefita nje ku-SAP. Because it's the same sun. The same sun that is melting the ice, it is hardening the clay. Kuyabhenefithisa abanye, kodwa abanye bafana ku-disadvantage. Sasinathuba linde ngaphandle kukamoya engcwele. Khala ne-corruption, nawe uyabhenefitha nje kuyona. Uyagaba ukuthi kuthiwa hayi akasibuye siphenye incwadi, nawe nje nalo igama lakho, kuthiwa nawe ukhona kwisabelo imali sanomshosha phansi. Omunye kuthiwa ungenile wangena kwi-organization ye-leadership enjalo, bekhula impilo yakhe yonke ethi mina I want to be the change. Afike lapho phakathi kuthiwa ayasebenzeka kanjalo thina. Sisebenza kanje, inyamazane siyivusa kanje. What chance did you stand? Bafa befele enkosini. NoDaniel bangena phakathi kwe-corruption, phakathi ebhabheni. Kuthiwa ke sinefu lofakazi bazalwane. Elisihaqimele. Abantu abakholwa baze bafa. Bephile ey'meni ey'njengezethu, ney'wesi. Abanye babehlaselwa. Kukhulunywe ngoPeter, abathi oPeter angicela sami isiphambano sibhekiswe phansi, singafani nesenkosi yakho, wafa. Athi uPaul sengithulula njengewayini, ngoba beleyo mgilothina, they were going to behead him, umbuso wamaRoma, uPaul. Lithi bambamba, bamsondeza kulo ozonquma ikhanda. Wathi ngiyekeni madoda ngabe ngisangibamba, ngoba kubanjwa abaphilayo, mina kade ngafa vele. So lo muntu elibusa ukuthi ayogenda ikhanda, selithwele isidumbu vele, ngoba umuntu oyinikilayo mase yobulawa ilophilayo. Lo nimbambile namhlanje kade vele wafa, akasayiphilele, akusesiyo ophilayo. Izinto lezi zikamoya engcwele. Ingakho sesibe-emphasize thina sinathuba lini ezweni elinje. La uvuke ekuseni uthi uvula i-TV, indoctrination yangena. Uthi uvula i-radio, you stood no chance. Usho njalo omunye wathi Africa stood no chance. Abanye bathi are we children of a lesser God? We have lived all our lives to manipulate izinto, i-system that ikhazela nge-spiritual warfare. uJesu lezinto akhuluma ngazo besingenakho ukusurvive, ngeke ukwazi ukusurvive. Nabo no homosexuality, they are rising manje. Izinto ey'justifywayo, izinto abayi-researchayo, baqashintwayo, ishonto ikhulume nithi ngalokho. Naba kuthiwa nasemakhaya manje The Christian idea of a Christian family, the Christian teachings, to remind you as a one when we're exposed to things as it is. Literate actually, we cannot live in the world where I'm never funded. As I'm the self-funded, that is why I'm a university acquired in a cathedral structural prototype normal format. Because these were people who were taught by Jesus to share the culture and the energies on second or science to put no. Yonke into bafuthi beyabo. So uJesu yena ayefundisa indaba ukuthi madoda musala ukuhlala nengcebo niyenze beye hamba niyoshare. But wasethi ke hlalane eJerusalem. Ningahambi madoda. Nize nigcwaliswe ngamandla kaMoya oNgcwele. Izinto lezo uJesu ayizisho ezitshe sehamba. Incwadi yezenzo chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 lithi iBhayibheli lamothi hayi madoda sekufikile sengihamba mina manje kodwa ke nina kungalungethi ukusatshwala. Kuzokwehla amandla kaMoya oNgcwele ephekweni. iBhayibheli lam the cowards Peter abasatshiswa amantombazane nje kwangathi ukhulumiswa kwangathi uPeter ayamazi. Athi uPeter athi uyaphi ukuthi alana ophika ngawo uphikiswa kwangathi ayamazi. Uthi intombazane ifike ithi ayisiyabona ohamba ngayo nje uyena nje lothi nafuna kuyabathi amazi. He was a coward before the Holy Spirit. He could not stand for the truth. But what must have questioned amandla kaMoya oNgcwele? Lithi iBhayibheli lami zonke izizwe amaGalileya bonke laba abakhapha kwamanye amazwe ama-Ethiopia namaRoman ama-proselytes zonke lezinto bathi babezwa bengenwa amandla kaMoya oNgcwele. Bekhuluma ilanguage abangakaze bayele ngisho esikoleni. Ebazalwane ngoba basungena uMoya oNgcwele ukhulumiswa kwasifundiswa ungesifundiswa. Ukhulumiswa kwabasomabhizinisi ungesomabhizinisi. Ukhulumiswa kwabantu onemali ungenamali. Ukhulumiswa kwabantu o-wealthy no-successful no-affluent ungakazi uyitaste i-wealth ne-affluence. So they started speaking the languages that they never learned. They started speaking Greek. They started speaking Ethiopian languages. They started speaking the languages across the Middle East. Wonke umuntu wayezwela bekhuluma isiXhosa njalo bekhuluma isiXhosa. Bekhuluma isiZulu bekhuluma isiZulu. Bekhuluma isiTsonga bekhuluma isiTsonga. Babezwela their own languages. Bekhuluma ngamandla kaNkulunkulu. Umoya oNgcwele loyo bangcwele. Uma leli qiniso lineqile. Lokuthi-ke yini-ke into esisizayo kule spiritual warfare? Uye uMoya oNgcwele. Asikuzayo uJesu